Hi guys, today I'm playing Mumu right now, and I'm in a base. It's really good. I've never seen a base this good before. Oh yeah, we've killed this guy already. And so yeah, nothing's really happening right now, but there is a dude named Mint. Ah, I died. Okay guys, so yeah, I died. The Mint dude, we killed him before, cause that's when we should let him into our, well, we should make him go into our base, cause that's how we killed him the last time. So he just went into our base, and then he just fell into one of our traps, and then we killed him. But this time, I don't know, he just didn't go in. I'm gonna see if he's still there or not. Please don't say that he raided the base. No, oh frick, he's in the base. Peace, peace. Peace. Wait, this was yours? Wait, this was his? Wait, this was your... This was your base? Sorry. It was his base. It was his base. I can't spell peace, but okay. Peace. Why? Does do not want peace? What is it? I will not team with a clan. Okay, how about that what? What? One guy. What? What? Let's kill this bot. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Okay, this actually dude is good. Never mind, he's pretty good. Yeah, we gotta run. Oh, okay. Oh, I barely escaped. Leave. No. Oh my gosh, how did I not die? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, food. I need food. Oh, I barely survived that. We will have peace. Peace, bro. Come on, peace, bro. Peace, please. Oh, okay, that's his spike. What? I can't. Wait, what? You're dead? Okay. I died. Okay. Hi. 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 Kill me. Okay. I just had to die. Okay, boom. I spawned closer. Okay, so, yeah, I don't know. I want to kill him, because he killed me twice. But, I mean, it was his base. Ah, no, 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 run, run, run. Oh my gosh, this part is destroyed. Yeah, like a lot. Did he destroy his own base? Peace. Oh, Okay, I'm stuck in this one of these dudes' traps. This dude is... Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Nice. Okay. Put traps. Put traps. Put traps down. I gotta get an H2. Near the entrance. I'm gonna get a stick so I can mine faster. But then I'm just gonna kill myself. Okay. So put traps near the entrance. Okay. We got okay, so right here. He dead. Yeah. Put traps right here. Yeah. Okay, let's put a trap like right here. Everywhere. Just put them all around. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Okay, I think he's like, I think he won't come back. At least his, okay, yeah, those are his. What? Did he block off the entrance? Oh my gosh, bro. Hammer, okay, I'm gonna get a hammer and then boom. Ah. Oh my, okay, I gotta destroy these. Oh no! No! This XLB person. Okay, peace. I won't hurt you. Wait, what? I can't, like, stop. Hmm? What? I know traps. Wait, what? Oh, Mint is back. Frick, Mint is back. Okay. Peace, bro. Peace. Team. It's a team. Why? Why does this dude not want to rip no food? Why you not want peace? Peace. Should we kill him? Everyone, raid. Destroy this trap. But we gotta get this dude. Okay. Yeah, I should have not gotten the stick. Well, I don't care. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bada. Okay, we gotta put traps everywhere. I'm gonna put a trap right here. So if he tries to go right there. Where is he? Where'd he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh. Okay. Okay, he's out. Please do what? Here, come here. Over here. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for today. I think he's not coming back. If he does, I'll record it. But yeah, that's it for today. Bye. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.